And guys, what's happening? How to take learner's permit test online in NY. To take the NY learner's permit test online, go to the official NY DMV site, right? dmv.ny.gov. And then what you're gonna do, hit my DMV to sign up or log in into your ny.gov ID. Right, let's say I'm gonna sign up. Scroll a little bit down and find the platform right here to sign up. Hit sign up, right, and continue, of course, to sign up with using your ID or residency proof. Then start the secure webcam verified test from home, ensuring you meet the age requirement 16 plus and equipment webcam reliable internet requirements. Okay, so prepare and always go to the DMV site and start the application and meet the requirements. Basically identify yourself and upload the necessary docs and begin tests. Once approved, you will get a link to start the secure test, which uses your webcam for ID verification and proctoring. Okay, and you will receive email about passing or not. You still need to visit DMV office with your documents, photo, and fee for the final permit issuance. Okay, so don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.